Good morning, family. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful, what today is? Today. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It is rainy, gloomy. Yeah, that's my weather for today, y'all. That's my weather. But I thank God for it. But listen, guys, I stopped in just to share with you all some things that I was doing over here in my garden today, right? So, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Yeah, yo. Yo. Let me get my flowers for the day, y'all. I hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys. Even though it's raining out here, I still need to drop these seeds here. So I'm going to drop some of these Florida mustards. I'm going to drop some more onions just to go around my garden because I'm going to need more. I'm going to drop some broccoli. And I'm going to drop this. Now, this is not for me. This is for Jada. So, because I'm not a fan of this Russian kale. But, you know, she wanted. And I'm going to drop some varieties of beets that I like, which is golden beets. I'm going to drop this, what is this? Early Wonder. I like it. And, of course, one of my favorite, the Shikoja beet. So, oof, the rain, y'all, the rain. Let's get it in. I'm going to put them all in one of these cups. I'll be back. All right, there they are. They all dropped. Yay. All right, let me move to another part of the garden where it's not raining on my head, y'all. Okay? I don't know if you can see or hear. You probably can. It's raining in New Orleans. It's raining, y'all. It's just a reflection going on, right? So, today is August 29th, 2024. My reflections was upon August 29th, 2005. Yeah. Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina changed so many things and changed so many people here in New Orleans. And everyone have their individual stories of what happened and what they were doing during Katrina. So what I'll do is, on my live, if you want to know more about my Katrina event, I'll talk about that more on my live on Sunday, okay? But it's just a huge reflection on Katrina and the people that lost their lives in Katrina. So this is my cucumbers. The cucumbers, they have germinated in my Vigo. Yeah, this is gonna be amazing. They all have germinated. All right, y'all, I'm ready. This is awesome. Awesome. So I am in the back of my garden. This is the back part where you usually don't see. I don't usually come this way. Let me say that. I usually am not this way. But this is my Fuyu persimmon. And so I saw something I wanted to share. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. So here's my persimmons. And as I said, these huge crickets have been eating the leaves, but that's okay because it's not going to hurt them. They, they're going to be all right. But these are my persimmons, and they are big and healthy and beautiful. They're doing good. But let me share this persimmon. Now, wait, let me share this. Look at this, y'all. Look at all the persimmons. Look at all of them. But this is what I want to share. Now, this is something you will never see in the grocery store. No, you will never see this in the grocery store. And here she is. It's a Fuyu persimmon, y'all. Look at that. It's a Fuyu persimmon. No, baby, you won't see this in the grocery store. Don't even compare. Yes, she's beautiful. She has 4 points on her. Wow. And she is beautiful just the way she are because God made her. I didn't. God did that. Yeah. The Fuyu persimmon. That's them, y'all. That is them. This little tree is just full of Fuyus. And it's okay that the crickets are eating the leaves. That's okay because it's not going to affect the persimmons at all, y'all. This is a sugar cane leaning on them. That's okay. Yeah. Awesome. So it was raining earlier. It stopped. And now maybe you don't see it yet, but it's drizzling raining right now. I'm trying to get this piece of leaf off so you can see that the rain, it is drizzling raining right now. Let's see if you can see it, but it's drizzling right now. But I wanted to come over here by these beauties. Look at them, y'all. So, of course, they are the leisures, and this is a really big one over here. That's a really big one. And she's turning yellow. And this one is turning red. Something kind of pecked on it, but that's okay because y'all know I'm going to cut that part off, but the rest is going to be mine. And of course, I'm definitely going to save the seeds to all of these babies, every one of them. And there's more here. And as she's putting on more peppers, she's making more flowers, just flowers everywhere. So Mike, the chaotic gardener, your leisures is doing amazing inside. My leisures are doing amazing outside, man. Look at that. So it goes to show, it just goes to tell you that it doesn't matter where you grow them. As long as you get your food, baby. Get your food. Huh? All right, Mike. Let's grow these leisures, boy. Say boom, Mike. So this was a very small moringa tree. And this, don't worry about my nails, y'all. I've been over there. Okay? But this is the root of that very small moringa tree. This is the root, right? The roots of the moringa tree is so amazing and beneficial. There's so many nutrients right here in my hand. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going inside right now. I'm going to clean it really good. I'm going to slice it really thin. And I'm going to make some tea. I'm going to use some, maybe, I'm going to try to use some, maybe I'll use the butterfly pea, or I'm going to use some Jamaican sorrel. I'm going to see which one I'm going to use today, but I'm going to go over and harvest just one bush or limb of my moringa. and I'm gonna make some moringa tea with one of those, a Jamaican sorrel or a butterfly pea. So come on inside with me and let's make this tea. All right, family, let's go. So this is the biggest moringa tree, and I'm gonna get some leaves and I'm gonna get some flowers for my tea. Y'all, I kind of need it today. It's really gray and it's raining, and yeah, I need this tea not only for my body but for my mind, y'all, just so I could get my mind together. So let's get this moringa, y'all. All right, so this is what I got. I got some flowers and I got some leaves. Now let's go in and make my tea. So this is the root of my moringa tree. I cleaned it and chopped it up. That's it. Many people eat this just like that, and really it don't taste bad. Y'all know I had to try. And this is my tea. So I decided upon the butterfly peas. Now I have the butterfly peas that is nice and dry. I have lots of flowers on the plant, but we got the dry ones that I already have. It's in hot water, and I'm gonna let it set for about maybe 35-45 minutes just to get all the goodness out of these flowers. I have moringa in there and fresh leaves, and I have some dried leaves in here. So these are my herbs that I have harvested from my tree. This is moringa powder, moringa leaves, butterfly pea flowers. That is mullein, yeah. But I'm just gonna let it set for a while and absorb all of the goodness. I have some lemons ready. A couple of days ago, family, I harvest leeks and green onions, and today I'm chopping them up and I'm going to share them with Jody. So here I am, just getting them all chopped up. They're all nice and clean, and this is just something I do periodically. I drop seeds with green onions, garlic, leeks, and I let them grow, because these are the foods in which I cook with every day. And I like to have bags of the herbs, the culinary herbs in which I cook with every day, right? I will not go to the store for onions, garlic, leeks, parsley. No, we will not do that. Because I live in Zone 9, these things could grow in my garden all year round, family. And so I love to have them growing in my garden. Of course, you all know, if you've been here a while, you know that onion, garlic, leeks, they also serve as pest pressure. So when they are done with the pest pressure, this is what I do. I pull them up, I chop the bottom off, many of them, and I regrow them. So many of the garlic and leeks that you see here, they have been in my garden for at least 2 years, right? At least 2 years, just by regrowing these vegetables in which I do love to eat, right? So they do serve as two purposes. In our world today, we have so many recalls on fresh produce. Well, family, because I love dropping seeds, especially for the foods in which I eat, recalls does not bother me when it comes to the food that I love to eat the most, because if there is a seed for it, I'm gonna grow it. I'm gonna grow it, and I'm gonna enjoy it. They must deal with their own recalls. So I allowed my butterfly PT to steep for about 45 minutes. I reheated it, yeah. And now, as you can see, it turned from blue to purple. Yeah. I have some lemon in here, and that is the thing that turns it that purple. Also, I have some honey. Yeah. Family, it is so good. It is so good. Whether you drink it hot or cold, the butterfly PT is delicious and is full of nutrients and all of the wonderful things that we need in our bodies. It's delicious, family. Yeah. And it's putting me in a different mood from this gloomy day of thinking about Katrina. Yeah. Good, good.